Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do some testing on the car. We're gonna do some light passes, make sure nothing comes loose, that the car's running straight before we do a full speed pass. Let's do a couple of hits, let's see how it goes, and we'll go from there. Just turn on the transmitter. It's on. Let's turn on the car. Let's give this another try. It's good to have the car back after last speed run crash. The car put back together. And let's go. This is just light hits. There it goes. Okay, let's bring it back. I heard a pop noise. Maybe I thought I hit a rock or something. Huh. There he goes. That's the pop sound. Gear came loose. Let's see what we can do. The good thing is that I left plenty of space so I can take out, so I can remove or replace pinion. I'm not gonna put the body on. Okay. Okay. So it was just a bit loose. It hasn't come out yet, but we're not trying very hard. We just want to make sure that everything's all right. And the couple of light passes that we do, make sure that we can go back and just check everything once over before we do a full speed run. But so far I like what I see. It's running pretty steady. I tweaked the suspension a bit. I did that off camera, and from what I can see from here, I still need to adjust the left front wheel just a bit. It's tucking in a little bit in. It should be straight. Now go home, check everything, make sure there's nothing else that's loose. I'm gonna go over all the set screws and make sure that they're nice and tight and that they have enough Loctite, and hopefully on the weekend we can do a full speed run. Guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in the next video.